Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. I'm your host Scott Mays. Today we're going to be talking about a Renegade 3 build. Now, the guys at Motive Gear have been nice enough to send us over new ring and pinion gear sets along with their master bearing kit. Now, this is for our Dana 44 and our Dana 30 front and rear differentials. Let's go ahead and talk about this ring and pinion set. Now, the ring and pinion set is a CNC machine, heat treated process. It's a great OE replacement for your old and worn out gear set. Now, with that, we also have their master bearing set. Now, this master bearing set comes with everything we need to do our install. You've got new bearings, new races, new seals. You get new gasket compound, your locking material, pinion nut, bolts, shims, everything you need. All right, on the table now we've got our front axle kit from Tin Factory along with our front and rear differential from Powertrax. Let's go ahead and talk about this front axle set. This is a black oxide coated 4340 chrome ollie 27 spline axle. Now in this kit you get both the right and left hand side, and it's already got your U-joints set into it and it's ready to go. And we've already got it set up here with our front Dana 30 differential. Now let's talk about these differentials for a second. Now this is the Grip Pro. We've got our Dana 30 and our Dana 44. Now the special thing about this is a limited slip differential, and what that's going to do for you is allow you to control the amount of grip you have according to how much pedal pressure you give. So whether you're on the road or on the track or even out on the trail, this is going to give you the optimum power that you need when you need it.